Blueberry Country is New Zealand's largest family-owned blueberry grower. We grow, pack and distribute fresh and frozen blueberries every day across New Zealand. Transport is a critical part of our business. Being a fresh produce company, the timing, the temperature control, the reliability of the transport is really important to us. During the season, our volumes increase exponentially, so it's really important to have a reliable transport option. We've chosen to rent because our business is really seasonal. For us, it comes down to reliability and the service that TR provides. In the fresh produce game, downtime really isn't an option, and that's a commercial reality that TR really understands. Our harvest season only goes for about 5 months of the year. Now, blueberries are a very sensitive produce to transport. It needs to be transported chilled without any bumps in the road. So renting is a much better option for us because we don't need the truck all year round. We're able to get a truck with the right specifications, with technical support whenever we need it, without the capital outlay of buying a truck. Really helps us to continue to deliver great service, quality products when our customers need it.
TR Group, making heavy vehicle fleet management easy for you.